The last option of control panel is the programs. Here we can access and we can check all the programs that are installed in our computer. In this case, Google Chrome, Camtasia, Zoom, Adobe, programming software, 3D printing software, some packages of updates, designs, SolidWorks, Office, PowerPoint, Visual Studio, antivirus, and here we can check in most of the cases the size of the usage. In this case, the software to record the screen is Camtasia. It is using 1.28 gigabytes and it was installed in May 1 of this year. Then here we can select something and just click on Uninstall. And then there is going to be a process where it's going to ask if we are sure, and I'm going to install Cura that I am not using it. When you are having problems with your computer and when the computer is going slower and slower, when the days are passing, you can go here and check and uninstall the software that you don't use. In this case, it is finished and now it is not appearing anymore.